So these are the these are the foot there, which we're going to sing we're going to do two songs together. One is The Lamb, and the second one is called Infant Joy. I'll say a little bit about them. So the Lamb is the innocent child. It's also a sort of Christian reference to Jesus, the Christ child, and so it's very apposite for this time of year. And the sort of spirit that feeds children, that feeds us in our innocence. The Lamb.
Little lamb who made thee, dost thou know who made thee? Leave him on and hid thee by the stream of Galilee. Leave rivers in all the night. Little lamb who made thee, dost thou know who made thee? Little lamb, I'll tell thee. Little lamb, I'll tell thee. He's called by thy name, for his cause himself a lamb. His meat and his wine, he became a little child, a child, and thou a lamb. We are called by his name. Little lamb, God bless thee. Little lamb, God bless thee.
This poem is a conversation with a newborn child about who they are, what they name them.